Good morning from Peloponnese, that's mainland. There's a beautiful lighthouse down there in the sun. Don't get stuck in sand again. Okay, this is gonna be a nice view. Yeah, just kilometers and kilometers of these sandy beaches. And I was further up there earlier. More easy going. Okay, let's go on. Let's go to the mountains. This is the main road going between the olive trees, going south towards the mountains. I like Peloponnese. So I made it to the village on the way, and there should be a small port. Well, let's see what's going on here. That's a pretty big port. Local fishermen having fun. So we have more of these sandy beaches. Yeah, just keeps going. So this is north. That's a nice coast. Made it to the coast again. So here's a nice small little harbor. And this is just the open sea. So this is Mediterranean. So even you see like a harbor is rocky. Because always everything is gonna get in, and this is just open sea, nothing is protecting it. I like this Peloponnese. Let's see what's going on. Another harbor. This break wall seems, but look at the size of the break wall. It seems pretty recent. So this is a walking promenade. This is a rough coast, you can see it's stony. Rocky. View on this huge protected bay, and there's one cruiser sailboat just bouncing on the waves. Really nice. This is a nice town. Look, marina, some nice cliffs. It's not bad at all here. Nice marina. This is a well-protected marina. That's a good spot because the bay is sheltering it, and then it's in here, so there's no swell. Auto service. It's warm, it's nice. Nobody's bothering you if you're camping. These beautiful fishing local boats. Okay, so these are the cruisers' boats. Germans. More Germans. Yeah, they're probably just living here. Yeah, this is how it looks when you live in Greece on a boat. And they're also just living on a catamaran. And they always have these guys who play with wood. Oh, this is a nice boat. Or maybe with the boat. Who knows? Oh yeah. Pilos. I kind of like this town. Local drink here, coffee. Center. Let's go through center. You can just zip around. You don't have to worry too much about getting stuck somewhere with a car, or you can just stop on the side of the road. This is a beautiful town. Just look at this. I imagine this in summer with all the vibe. Nice, nice. This is nice. Nice. This is a nice castle. That's beautiful. Wow, look at this. Nice bay down there. Cool. Find a parking spot and then walk, and then you just lose time. I mean, of course, it's great. It's kind of cool with a bike. Now, this is a nice castle. Wow, look at this. And behind there's two islands. They seem very steep and rocky, but it's two islands. So this is this is the last town on these fingers, but you can get more south. So I'm just gonna go now drive small roads and try to see the rest of this western finger. There's three fingers: western, eastern, and middle. This is really nice. Look at this. That's a nice beach. Oh, there's a ATV guy. Oh, nice. I can make it around. That's a nice view and a nice beach. Oh, that seems wet. Well, I think I don't want to get my bike salty, so I'll just go around. Yeah, these are the two islands. Nice. I'll go around. Yeah, I made it around. Actually a nice place, nice view. This is actually super spectacular, like it's nice view. Oh, still on the west finger. Let's see, all the trees. That's a nice valley. Look at this. That's a huge valley. Like suddenly I'm in the mountains. I wish I had sun. squeeze between here. You know, but then the Greek, they're just like, yeah, you know, they're fine with the car as long as it drives. Oh, this is NX500. This is like exactly my bike, the same color. Nice bike. This one is not in that good condition. Full, you know, tough and, you know, all that stuff. You know what I mean? Driving, you know, like expensive cars and all that, you know. They just like to relax. And I never had experience with a Greek, you know, giving me a hard time just for no reason, like you would have in Balkan countries, you know. It would be quite kind of common. But yeah, I'm not gonna go in here. Okay, this is like, you can see there was a huge wall around here. And they loved building walls. That was the only way to protect. It is a castle, Koroni Castle. Yeah, look. It's nice. If I had sun, this would be like, because the colors of those cliffs. Look at this village. Isn't this like, it's like proper Greek village. Nice, really nice. Koroni. Think I can make it here? Oh, no, it's a one-way. I don't mind going through here again. Sleepy village. Don't buy that car, not the new ones. Your wet belt is just gonna fall apart. No reliability in these new cars. Ah, it's a nice village. It's all empty, but it's still beautiful. These are nice blue colors they use on windows. That's a nice small harbor. I'm like Google Maps now, you know, Street View. I'm just driving everywhere and filming. Look at these colors. They make such a big difference. It could be just some boring colors, but no, they decided to make it colorful. Put some red, some blue. Oh, Greek colors. Wow, nice, nice. Nice village. Stop and go. And I want to have gyros where there's a lot of traffic, you know. Now, it's not that it would probably just fine, but you know, just a general precaution. You eat where it's street food, where everybody's eating. Best guarantee where the locals eat, so it's fresh. Found this great place here, has a lot of good recommendations. You can just park here. I love these chairs. So 2 more gyros is coming. This is just a warm-up. 2 gyros, 2 souvlaki. What a great place here. There's a lot of good recommendations to come here. I checked online. Again, just park here. Perfect place. This is now south wind, so it just makes the waves here. But Kalamata, very nice. Summer stop. It's not a party place, I think it's more like family, relaxing, long beach, nice promenade. It's gonna be dark in 1 hour. I have a good place, good spot at the nice beach. These mountains are just incredible. I didn't expect this. I saw it's a twisty road, but I was expecting something old and narrow and terrible. But this is like a brand new mountain road, built for motorbikes. Just look at this. There's something going on in front of me. That's really good. Beautiful twisty road. Look at this scenery. So this is the middle finger, and wow, small village down there. This was a nice place to overnight. There was a couple of campers here. I just had my tent here on the beach. It would be nice to have sun. But there's going to be a little bit cloudy, but then the sun is coming back. And still, it's very nice. I like the beach because in the water it's sand, but here it's just rock, so you don't have that sand everywhere. So now I'm going towards the end of the middle finger. Let's see how it looks there. This is a special village. If you look at the houses, they just have this special way of building with stone, or it's just so renovated. But there was like a bunch of houses like this, see? Built of pure stone. Another, yeah, they're like castles, you see? They all have these square shapes. Maybe there's a reason why they build it like this. Maybe for, I don't know why, collecting water. It doesn't make sense, but... Again, you see these houses? They just have like square, flat roof. Up there again, yeah? I guess no rain here. They just build a terrace up there. Wow. There's this sleepy village, this beautiful like bay, cliffs. Let's take a look. Building a new one. Let's see what's going on. GoPro here. Oh wow, look at this bay. Beautiful taverna. This is nice. Wow. Oh wow, wow. Look at this. Yeah, these are the old houses. They still need some renovation. Look at these rocks, they're like kind of red. So usually this is again exposed to the south, so during the summer it's very calm, very bouncy now. That's a nice place, nice beach down there. Well, I could easily spend a day or two here, and that's a lot because for me it's hard to stay in one place for a long time. Beautiful village, just beautiful. You have to clean the beach a little bit, so that's what the south winds bring. But in summer, you have no trouble with that. This landscape here is spectacular. Wow. Look at the landscape. Nice. I have to take a quick look before the bus arrives. Wow. Beach down there. Just wow. Another beautiful house. So nice and peaceful here, yeah, if you're looking for that. Oh, nice. Look at this. Okay, this is new buildings. Old style. Really nice. It's not a castle, it's just a bunch of these houses, like towers. Maybe there's a trick. Maybe they all built like this, so it would look like a military house. So any invader would be just confused and he would think, hey, this is a big army base. And then, yeah, you see, like you would think, because it's hard to say, you see, which one is now army. Fortified settlement, yeah. If this isn't cool. Wow. Oh, look at these rocks. Oh, one day this is gonna go in the sea. I won't be around probably. That's a massive rock. How does the nature do this? That's not bad. Another fortified village. It's just unique. Couple more kilometers and I'm gonna be on this most southern village. This middle finger. This is like a nice road. Look at this. Way drier. Much drier. And then no olive trees, no vine, no nothing. Just different. I can see a bunch of campers down there. So, German, Swiss, German. So this is as south as the road goes. You can use a dirt road to go all the way to the south, but yeah, this is the end of the middle finger. It's pretty cool. So the bus made it. Where is he gonna turn? What's the point driving a bus in these roads?